How to balance your fishing rod or your double-hander fly fishing rod. Well, you can see my finger there, and this is a 12 feet 6 8-line Sage Method. It's almost a 13 feet rod. And I have some people saying to me that, well, your fishing rod is quite heavy. Or the reel is quite heavy. But I never found it that heavy. And when you hold your hand, your top hand, or in my case my right hand, just below where my finger is, then the entire rod bends from just above my finger and upwards when I cast. So tell me, how does your rod balance? To the right or to the left of my finger? Well, cheers.